Hi guys, it's Got5 here and I'm here with a brand new video and I'll be teaching you guys how to clean your AirPods. So this works for the AirPods 1, 2 and even the Pros, but it'll be a little bit harder with the Pros, but yeah. So let me just get these out. So we're going to start with this case and then we're going to go to those, but the way to clean these is with this. Let's hide the brand, we don't want to give them free advertisements, but everyone knows what brand this is anyway. But yeah, Blue Tack. That's what we need to clean these. Like, this is probably one of the most effective ways I've found to do it. So you just get a small amount of Blue Tack. I'm gonna get quite a lot, but you don't need a lot, you just get a small amount. I've had this pack for a long time and it's only been this much so far. And they're not even that expensive. I got mine for only £1, but yeah, you get them for like cheaper, some more expensive, so you get a bit. You go. And then what parts you want to clean? So this part you want to clean these. A lot of earwax comes in here, so you just want to push the Blue Tack in, make it take all the space. Got this a little bit better. And then when you're done, you just peel it back. There we go. It looks clean. You can't really tell on camera, but it does look a lot cleaner. There you go. And then you just peel it back. There. And then these ones you can just stick in there. But yeah, that's how you clean it. These are pretty clean anyway. And if you want to clean the dust here, you need a toothpick. I don't have one with me right now. But you just get a toothpick and you just run it around the corners here and here. Here I mean, just there. But yeah, that's how you clean these. And now let's go to the most important part of any AirPod, which are the actual headphones. Let's go. Okay, so here we're gonna start here. We're gonna just dip it in, and then you put it out. You get some dust out. You go the same here. You just put it in that glue and you put it out. You can see it takes the foam away and it takes a lot of stuff in. You go for the headphones actual part, the earpiece, and you just push it right in and then you just push it out. So yeah, you can see there's a bit of dust and other stuff in it. That's like very good, especially when you have earwax in it. It can just take out. You can use a toothpick, but be very careful with the toothpick. You don't want to pierce this, just move around the edges. But I like to use this method. This is like one of the best methods. And then you get some earwax here and stuff. You just push it in here. Just push it all around there. And then you just push it out. There, you can see it's a bit better now. So that's how you do it. So I'm going to do the other one with another piece of Blue Tack, because I don't use the same piece. I just want to focus on these so it works better. Damn. So anyone that doesn't know, the focus on this camera isn't its camera quality is very good, but the focus isn't, so you just push it in here. There we go. Just push it in there. Just push it in there. You can see some dust in there, you can see and stuff. You can see there's a bit of stuff. You can just push it in there. This is how good it's going to clean it out. You can see now it's pretty clean. So there you go. So that's basic for you. Then after, you can throw these away. You could reuse it, but I don't want to use it. You could also do these places, but I don't think these places aren't that good for it, but you can also put it in here. Let me just focus. You can do this on an actual charge as well, but just put it in here and take it out to take some dust out, but I don't do it there. It's not that good. So yeah, that's how you clean your AirPods and keep them cleaner before. You can also buy this shield, I think it's called. I don't know what it's called. It's like a sticker, but it's not like one that actually sticks and then you can't take it out. It's like a plastic piece of magnets that connect to it, and it's very good because it keeps all the dust and stuff out. I got this like 1 year ago, and I got one before that was really cheap and didn't work properly. When I got this one, that was a bit more expensive, but with the outcome, it's very good. It keeps all the dust out. So I bought it gold, but some of the gold's like wearing out and gets, you can see all that dust and stuff. It just sticks on here instead of the actual case, so that's a very good purchase. So yeah, buy yourself some blue tack and some of these guards or shields, whatever you guys call it, and your headphones will be good as new even in a year's time or 2 years time. So please like, subscribe. If there's any other video ideas, comment it down below. We are so close to 1.6k, so just subscribe. Any subscribers will help. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye, and I'll see you in a few days.